In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up 301 redirects for a Webflow website so visitors and search engines are sent to the correct pages. Let's get started. Open your Webflow dashboard, select your project and go to Site Settings. Open the Publishing tab and scroll down to the 301 redirects section. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for sites with a hosted Webflow site plan. In the old path field, enter the original URL path such as old page. In the redirect to path field, enter the new URL path such as new page. Click Add Redirect Path to save the redirect. Repeat the process for any additional pages you want to redirect. When you're finished, publish your website to apply the changes. Then test the old URL in your browser to confirm it automatically redirects to the new page. That's how to set up 301 redirects for a Webflow website. Thanks for watching.